Welcome everyone to Low Code Bytes channel. My name is Ahmed Musa. In the second episode of Power Platform for Administrators course, we will delve into a pivotal component of the platform, environments. Given the depth of content required for this particular component, we may extend our discussion across multiple episodes. So stay tuned for further insights and information. Thanks for tuning in, and let's dive into our content. So, what is environment in first place? A Power Platform environment is a space to store, manage, and share your organization's business data, apps, co-pilots, and workflows. It also serves as a container to separate apps that might have different rules, security requirements, geolocation, or target audiences. When setting up environments to meet various needs, you have several options. Choosing to develop your applications or co-pilots within a single environment, establishing distinct environments to organize the test and production iterations of your applications or co-pilots to maintain ALM, setting up separate environments aligned with specific teams or departments within your organization, each containing data and applications tailored for their respective audiences, creating a separate environment for different global branches of your company. But what is scope of Power Platform environments? Each environment is established under Microsoft Intra ID tenant, formerly known as Azure AD, and its resources are exclusively accessible to users within that specific tenant. Additionally, an environment is associated with a geographical location, such as the United States. When an application is developed within an environment, it is exclusively directed to data centers located in that geographical region. All components created within that environment are also bound to the location of their respective environment. Keep in mind that each environment may contain either 0 or 1 Microsoft Dataverse database, which serves as the storage for applications and copilots. Furthermore, when an application is developed within an environment, it is restricted to connecting only to the data sources deployed within that same environment. This includes connections, gateways, flows, and Dataverse database. For instance, suppose you have created two environments named test and dev, each containing a Dataverse database instance. In such a scenario, if an application is created within the test environment, it can only connect to the test database and is unable to access the dev database. When you navigate to Power Platform Admin Center and choose the Environment section, you will have the options to create a new environment. Upon selecting this option, you will be given a variety of environment types to choose from. So, what are the environment types available in Power Platform and the differences between them? Power Platform includes a default environment that is automatically created one time only and for each tenant and shared by all licensed users within that tenant. This environment is intended for personal productivity assets and is designed to facilitate easy access and collaboration among users. All licensed users are granted the environment maker role, allowing them to create and manage resources within this environment. However, the default environment offers limited control over security settings, as it's broadly accessible to all users. This setup ensures a straightforward, collaborative space for users to leverage the Power Platform's capability for individual productivity needs. Well, some security administrators might view this as a potential risk, but believe me, this is not the case. Microsoft would never compromise organization security or their service. This design decision was intentional, and we have a set of controls to manage the security of the default environment, which we will cover in the upcoming videos. Developer environments. This type can be created by users holding the developer plan license. These environments are specifically designed for individual use by the owner, allowing them to experiment and build applications without affecting production data. While provisioning of developer environments can be restricted by admin to maintain oversight, the security controls are limited. Notably, security groups cannot be assigned to developer environments, which means that access and permissions are inherently restricted to the individual user who created the environment. We will talk more about security groups at the environment operations video. This setup provides a sandbox-like space for development activities while maintaining a degree of administrative control over who can create these environments. Trial environments, which are available to licensed users and subject to tenant-level settings. These environments are designed to support short-term testing needs, providing a temporary space to explore and evaluate features without impacting production data. Trial environments automatically expire after 30 days and are limited to a single user, ensuring that they are used for specific individual testing purposes. Administrators have full control over these environments, allowing for comprehensive management and oversight to maintain security and compliance within the tenant. Trial environments cannot be restored after their 30 days expiration, but they can be converted to sandbox or production environments during the trial period. Sandbox environment, categorized as a licensed user type and governed by the tenant level setting, function as a dedicated and persistent area for development and testing, separate from production environments. Security measures ensure comprehensive control, tightly managing access to safeguard operations, while developers require the environment maker role to create and oversee resources within the sandbox. This environment is recommended for team development and serve as an ideal staging environment too for testing purposes. Production environments in Power Platform are crucial for permanent organizational operations, serving as the foundation for critical business processes. They offer full control over security settings, ensuring robust protection for sensitive data and maintaining operational integrity. These environments are recommended for deploying production solutions that support daily business activities effectively. Last type is Microsoft Dataverse for Teams. These environments are automatically generated when an app is first created within Microsoft Teams or when an app from the catalog is installed. These environments are tightly integrated within Teams, facilitating seamless app development and deployment directly within the collaborative platform. However, security administration is limited as administrators have restricted access to settings. Customization for security roles or assignments are not available, and team members are automatically mapped to their respective roles, like owners, members, guests within teams, with corresponding security roles assigned automatically by the system. This setup ensures simplicity and ease to use within teams while aligning security roles within teams' membership types. In summary, when creating a new environment in Power Platform Admin Center, as we will explore in the upcoming episodes, we anticipate encountering four types of environment as the remainder are automatically created. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We would love to hear from you. See you in the next video.